Hi, welcome. This is a sneak preview video of the ArcoLinuxB Plasma. It's coming in April. And in this case, I installed just about everything I could install on the Calamares installer. You'll see that you have lots of choices, and just want to go through all the possible things that are now installed on this particular SSD. So you can install these, by the way, today. sudo pacman -s atom, sudo pacman -s brackets, and so on. All right. 3, 4 Git versions. So the possibility to install support graphical user interfaces to work with your GitHubs. IntelliJ is there. Melt, of course. PyCharm, Unity, Sublime Text. These things, well, from LibreOffice, but education, right? It's Plasma who puts them there. I don't put them there. And a lot of fun stuff. Chromium, Extreme Text Eraser, Never Bold, Never Put. You can all install all of these right now, right? Just an application. So get it if you want it. But it's a choice on Calamares to install immediately Minecraft. After you launch, you'll have it. And some nice games on Linux, Sauerbraten, and Exonotic, some shooters. A lot of graphic stuff, you know, many of our wonderful videos or of movies they create are created with Blender on Linux, obviously, and so on. Take a look, a lot of stuff in here, stuff you can install right now. Internet, a lot of things for internet. We have focused in the month of March on communication, right? Corona is hitting us really bad. But we need to keep in touch, so we are stuck at home, many of us. And how do we communicate with applications, right? So those are in here as well. At some point in time, we'll find a few like Skype, TeamViewer, Slack is there, I see. So a lot of things to keep track with, to talk to people. Like Zoom is there somewhere as well. Zoom is here, Wire is here, Fiber is here. So a lot of Telegram and Discord you knew already. So Write is here, Qtalks is here. So there are a few special ones we need to figure out as well for ourselves. You can't use them all, right? But you need to choose what particular application you like to communicate. So lots and lots of stuff of multimedia things. It seems that Linux is just crazy in that respect. Lots of choices, and this is just a pick. I mean, there is more. Okay, so fun stuff. LibreOffice and then other offices. So there are lots of offices out there. You just choose what you want, because if you just want to write, Focuswriter, Ghostwriter, why not, right? But it's Excel you want, or some similar thing like Excel. Then we got these sheets up here, and we have also the spreadsheets here. So it all depends what you want. Also here, science, numeric there, so Excel again. Settings, those are the things we have already seen in the minimal version. So the other video previous to this one, so one number down, you'll see that some of these things of course already in here. So the main dump of applications is in here, right? So from development to science, and this is general applications. Don't think there will be any more. Well, there will be any more because we have given you the choice to install different terminals. Alacrity is here, I see. So cool retro term, a fun thing. Actually, the thing we used to look at, this was our screen, like when I was 19, so 30 years ago, more or less. This was our computer screen. We were so happy we had one color. Anyway, Sakura is another play on Linux, is also new, and so some of them do get inside utilities. I notice it. So Nemo File Manager on Plasma, yeah, why not, if you want that. For instance, I'm a developer of the Sardi and the Surfing icons. I always use Nemo to look at, to search for icons and see visually what SVG is it. So it's a workflow thing, I suppose, but I like it. And that's the thing, right? You can mix things up, and that's all up to you. So this is the full installation. I mean, you can't download this, understand me correctly. There is just one ISO, one ArcoLinuxB Plasma. Either you skip everything in Calamares, you get a minimal one, and you decide one by one, sudo pacman -s, I'm gonna install, I don't know, WPS, right? But the other way is to select already some stuff on Calamares, and if you have an internet connection, then you get that, you get the software after reboot, simple as that. So that's it for me, I'm out, all right, enjoy.